Hello students, I welcome you all in virtual lecture. Today's lecture is based on section 4, Literary Genre Novel, lesson number 4.4, The Sign of Four, written by Sir Arthur Ignatius Conan Doyle. In this lecture, we are going to discuss important information but in brief. These notes are in simpler language, easy to understand and remember. I will suggest you to write it once. It's very simple. If we hear, we remember it for a while. But if we get it down on paper, it becomes firm in our mind. In it, you will come to know the following things which are based on theme, plot, setting, character sketch, etc. Let us have a look on the points. Now the points which we are going to discuss in this virtual lecture are about the author, about the novel, theme of the novel, plot of the novel, setting or location of the novel, the case of Mary Morstan, Sherlock Holmes always one step ahead of Dr. Watson in solving cases, and character sketches of Mary Morstan, Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson. Okay, now let's study the notes carefully. About the author. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, a British writer and physician. He was the creator of famous fictional detective character in history, Sherlock Holmes. The Sherlock Holmes stories are considered milestones in the field of crime fiction. Doyle was a prolific writer. Other than Holmes' stories, his works include fantasy and science fiction stories, humorous stories, as well as plays, romances, poetry, non-fiction, and historical novels. About the author, and after that about the novel. The Sign of the Four is the second novel featuring Sherlock Holmes written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. The novel was published in February 1890. It is a mystery novel having a fictional detective story. The Sign of Four has a complex plot involving service in India, the Indian Rebellion of 1857, a stolen treasure, and a secret pact among 4 convicts and 2 corrupt prison guards. The given chapter 2nd and chapter 3rd of the novel are about Mary Morstan's seeking help of Sherlock Holmes in the missing mystery of her father 10 years before. Theme of the novel. The theme of the given chapter 2 and 3 of Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's novel, The Sign of Four, revolves around the mystery of the disappearance of Mary Morstan's father, receipt of expensive pearls by Mary, and the mysterious letter received by her. It is about the meeting of Mary Morstan with Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson, where she explained her problems. It is also about the short trip made by the three to the writer of the mysterious letter. These 2 chapters tell about Dr. Watson's first meeting with Mary Morstan and his attraction towards her. Plot of the novel. The Sign of the Four has a complex plot involving service in India, the Indian Rebellion of 1857, a stolen treasure, and a secret pact among 4 convicts and 2 corrupt prison guards. The chapter 2 and 3 of the novel, The Sign of the Four, describe Miss Mary's first meeting with Sherlock Holmes, the detective. She explained her problems to him and to Dr. Watson and asked for that help. Her father was mysteriously disappeared 10 years before, but she was receiving expensive pearls for 6 years. She had also received an anonymous letter, and Mary is frightened and requests Holmes for help. In chapter 3, Mary, Holmes, and Dr. Watson try to meet the writer of the mysterious letter which she had received. It is also described how Dr. Watson attracted towards Miss Mary. Setting or location of the novel. Importance of London in setting. The plot of the Sign of Four novel revolves around the London. So, London occupies very importance in the story. Though there is a reference of India and its several places, the main location of the novel is London. Mary's father arrives in London and stays in London Hotel. He disappears in London. Mary meets Sherlock Holmes in London. Mary's father's friend lives in London. The writer of the mysterious letters which Mary received is in London. The case of Mary Morstan. Mary Morstan has brought a case to Sherlock Holmes to solve. The case was about her father's sudden disappearance 10 years ago. He had been on a holiday to London and asked Mary to meet him at the hotel. But before their meeting, he disappeared. This puzzled Mary. Second mysterious thing is Mary had received a rare and expensive pearl for 6 years from an unnamed person. Mary has also received an anonymous letter asking to meet her. She had also found a paper in her father's desk which no one could understand. So she sought the help of Holmes, the detective. Sherlock Holmes is always one step ahead of Dr. Watson in solving cases. Sherlock Holmes is real detective, while Dr. Watson is merely his assistant. Holmes is sharp, objective, and methodical detective, while Dr. Watson is an emotional and simple person. Holmes is perfect analytical and his deductions are always correct. He observes everything minutely. He studies the series of happenings. But Dr. Watson has limited knowledge. His findings are often wrong. So Sherlock Holmes is always one step ahead of Dr. Watson in solving cases. The visit to Lyceum Theatre. To visit Lyceum Theatre is the first step in solving case of Mary Morstan. The trio, Holmes, Dr. Watson, and Miss Mary, decided to visit Lyceum Theatre because Mary had received an anonymous letter asking her for meeting. The letter warned her not to bring the police with her but allowed her to bring 2 friends with her. So she requested Holmes and Dr. Watson to accompany her. As the trio hoped to get some clues to solve the case, they decided to visit the theatre. Now, characters in chapter 2nd and 3rd. Main characters mentioned in the chapter 2nd and 3rd are Miss Mary Morstan, Dr. Watson, and Sherlock Holmes. Apart from other characters mentioned in the same characters are Major Sholto, who is a friend of Mary's father, then Captain Morstan, who is Mary's father, and Jonathan Small, who is a gatekeeper at Agra Fortress. Now students, we are going to study the character sketch of these 3 persons, Mary Morstan, Sherlock Holmes, and Dr. Watson. Character sketch of Mary. Mary Morstan is a simple young lady about 27 years old. She dressed very simple and plain clothes. Though she is not particularly good looking, but she has sweet and amiable expressions. Her large blue eyes have a sympathetic look. She is sensitive and refined by nature. She remains calm although tension looms over. Next, character sketch of Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes is an adventurous detective. He is the leading character of the novel. He is well mannered, sincere, and studious person. He is humble by nature and honest in his duty. He is professional and methodical. He has an extraordinary record of solving cases. Mary Morstan had come to him, asked his advice about a problem she was facing. Holmes, who took lead and found out about Major Sholto. Holmes is always one step ahead of Dr. Watson in solving cases. Character sketch of John Watson. Dr. Watson is the narrator of the story and one of the major characters in the novel. He was an army surgeon. He is a friend of Holmes who helped him and kept record of his cases. Dr. Watson is emotional, simple, and trustful. When the case was brought to Holmes by Mary, he was present there. Dr. Watson found Mary very attractive and was impressed by her. He liked her and at last he proposed her. Students, I hope you will like of my efforts which make you well equipped with important content from our English course book. We will meet again in another informative virtual lecture. Till then, do take good care of yourself. Thank you.